Good afternoon, friends. Myself, Professor Kamlesh Jadhav. Today, I will discuss about the topic selection of the course number AVM 234, whose title is Human Resource Management and Development of the BSc Honors AVM degree program. So, we will start with the definition of selection. Before moving towards definition, we will firstly see what is meant by selection. Finding the interested candidates who have submitted their profiles for a particular job is the process of recruitment, and choosing the best and most suitable candidates among them is the process of selection. It results in elimination of unsuitable candidates. It follows scientific techniques for the appropriate choice of a person for the job. So now we will see the definition of selection. Selection is the process of differentiating between applicants in order to identify those with a greater likelihood of success in a job. As I have discussed in the meaning of selection, that it eliminates the unsuitable candidates and find out the appropriate candidate which are suitable for that particular job. This is called as selection. The next is process of selection. The process of selection consists of following steps. First one is inviting applications. Second one is receiving applications. Third one is scrutiny of applications. Fourth one is written test. Fifth one is psychological test. Then next is personal interview. Then reference check, medical examination, final selection, and placement. These are the steps involved in selection procedure. So we will discuss one by one. First one is inviting application. The prospective candidates from within the organization or outside the organization are called for applying for the post. Detailed job description and job specification are provided in the advertisement for the job. It attracts a large number of candidates from various areas. After inviting applications, next one is receiving applications. Detailed applications are collected from the candidates which provide the necessary information about personal and professional details of a person. These applications facilitate analysis and comparison of the candidates. Then third one is scrutiny of application. As the limit of the period within which the company is supposed to receive application ends, the applications are sorted out. Incomplete applications get rejected. Applicants with unmatching job specifications are also rejected. Then after the scrutiny of applications, next step is to conduct a written test. As the final list of candidates become ready after the scrutiny of applications, the written test is conducted. This test is conducted for understanding the technical knowledge, attitude, and interest of the candidates. The process is useful when the number of applicants is large. In case where number of applicants are less, then there is no need to conduct the written test. Then after written test, next one is to conduct a psychological test. Psychological tests are conducted individually and they help for finding out the individual quality and skill of a person. The types of psychological tests are aptitude test, intelligence test, synthetic test and personality test. Then after conducting psychological test, we have to conduct personal interview. Candidates proving themselves successful through test are interviewed personally. The interviewers may be individual or a panel. It generally involves officers from the top management. The candidates are asked several questions about their experience on another job, their family background, their interest, etc. They are supposed to describe their expectations from the said job. Their strengths and weaknesses are identified and noted by the interviewers, which help them to take the final decision of selection. Then after conducting the personal interview, next step is reference check. Generally, at least 2 references are asked by the company from the candidate. Reference check is a type of cross check for the information provided by the candidate through their application form and during the advertisements. The next is medical examination. Physical strength and fitness of a candidate is must before they takes up the job. In spite of good performance in tests and interviews, candidates can be rejected on the basis of their ill health. The next is final selection. At this step, the candidate is given the appointment letter to join the organization on a particular date. The appointment letter specifies the post, title, salary and terms of employment. Generally, initial appointment is on probation and after a specific time period it becomes permanent. And the final step is placement. A suitable job is allocated to the appropriate candidate so that they can get the whole idea about the nature of the job. They can get adjusted to the job and perform well in future with all capacities and strength. So these are the steps involved in process of selection. Thank you.